Artificial intelligence, or AI, lets machines mimic human thinking. Imagine a computer that learns from experience, just like you do. AI uses data to make decisions and recognize patterns. It helps machines do tasks that need human intelligence, like understanding language or recognizing faces. AI includes machine learning and natural language processing. From our phones to our cars, AI is everywhere. Understanding AI is the first step to seeing its impact on our lives. AI is all around us, making everyday tasks easier and more efficient. Voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant can answer questions, set reminders, and control smart devices. AI also powers recommendations on Netflix and Amazon, suggesting movies or products you might like. Navigation apps like Google Maps use AI to provide real-time traffic updates and the fastest routes. Even social media uses AI to personalize your feed and show posts that match your interests. These examples show how AI is seamlessly integrated into our lives. AI is transforming healthcare by improving diagnostics and treatment. In hospitals, AI can analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs to detect diseases early. This helps doctors make accurate diagnoses and plan effective treatments. AI-powered robots assist in surgeries, providing precision and reducing human error. In education, AI offers personalized learning experiences. AI can adapt lessons to fit each student's needs, helping them learn at their own pace. Online learning platforms use AI to provide interactive tutorials and assessments. This makes education more accessible and tailored to individual students. AI is also changing the workplace by automating repetitive tasks. In offices, AI can handle data entry, scheduling, and customer support. This allows employees to focus on more creative and strategic work. AI-powered tools enhance productivity and efficiency, leading to better business outcomes. However, the integration of AI in these fields raises questions about job security and the future of work. While AI can enhance productivity, it also replaces some jobs. This shift requires workers to adapt and learn new skills to stay relevant in an AI-driven world. AI offers numerous benefits, improving efficiency and productivity. It can analyze vast amounts of data quickly, providing insights that humans might miss. This ability helps businesses make informed decisions. AI also enhances customer experiences by providing personalized services and recommendations. However, AI also poses challenges and risks. One concern is privacy, as AI systems collect and analyze personal data. There is a risk of data breaches and misuse of information. Ensuring data security and privacy is crucial as AI continues to evolve. Another challenge is the ethical use of AI. There are concerns about biased algorithms that can lead to unfair outcomes. AI systems learn from data, and if the data is biased, the AI can make biased decisions. Addressing these ethical issues is important to ensure AI benefits everyone equally. AI also raises questions about job displacement. As machines take over repetitive tasks, some jobs may disappear. This requires a shift in workforce skills and training. Preparing for these changes is essential to harness the full potential of AI while minimizing negative impacts. So, AI has, countless success stories of making life easier for people. In healthcare, AI has helped doctors detect diseases like cancer earlier, which means better outcomes for patients. For example, AI algorithms can actually analyze mammograms more accurately than human radiologists, leading to early detection of breast cancer. In education, AI-powered tutoring systems have helped students achieve better results. These systems provide personalized feedback and adapt to each student's learning style so students can learn at their own pace, improving their understanding and retention of information. AI also assists visually impaired people by providing real-time descriptions of their surroundings. Apps using AI can identify objects, read text aloud, and even recognize faces. This technology really empowers individuals with disabilities to navigate the world more independently. And, in the workplace, AI streamlines processes and boosts productivity. Companies use AI to automate tasks like scheduling meetings and managing emails, which frees up time for employees to focus on more meaningful work, enhancing job satisfaction and efficiency. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, concerns about privacy, ethics, and jobs are growing. People worry about how AI systems use and protect personal data. Ethical questions arise as AI makes decisions that impact lives. Automation may lead to job losses, raising concerns about the future of work. And as AI is used in surveillance, balancing security and privacy becomes crucial. The future of AI holds exciting possibilities. AI is expected to become more sophisticated, with machines understanding and interacting with humans more naturally. This could lead to new applications in fields like healthcare, education, and entertainment. The development of AI will likely continue to drive innovation and economic growth. AI could revolutionize industries by enhancing automation and efficiency. In healthcare, AI could lead to breakthroughs in personalized medicine and drug discovery. In education, AI could provide more immersive and interactive learning experiences. These advancements could improve quality of life and create new opportunities. However, the future of AI also requires careful consideration of ethical and societal impacts. Ensuring AI systems are fair, transparent, and accountable is crucial. Policymakers and businesses must work together to create regulations that promote responsible AI development. Investing in AI education and skills training is essential for preparing the workforce for future challenges. As AI technology evolves, understanding its capabilities and limitations will be important for everyone. Embracing AI with caution and responsibility can lead to a brighter future. As AI becomes more prevalent, understanding it is crucial. AI education can help individuals grasp how these systems work and their impact on society. Teaching AI concepts in schools can prepare students for future careers in technology and innovation. It also fosters critical thinking about ethical and social implications. AI literacy is important for everyone, not just those in tech fields. It helps people make informed decisions about technology use in daily life. Understanding AI can empower individuals to navigate a world where AI plays a significant role. AI education also promotes innovation and creativity. By learning how AI works, individuals can explore new ways to solve problems and create solutions. This can lead to advancements in various fields, from healthcare to entertainment. Governments and institutions should prioritize AI education to build a knowledgeable and skilled workforce. Providing resources and training opportunities can help individuals adapt to an AI-driven economy. As AI continues to shape the future, understanding it is key to harnessing its potential. AI is transforming our world in profound ways. From healthcare to education, AI is enhancing efficiency and creating new possibilities. While AI offers many benefits, it also poses challenges that require careful consideration. Addressing ethical concerns and preparing for workforce changes are essential steps in embracing AI. Understanding AI is crucial for navigating the future. As technology evolves, being informed about AI's capabilities and limitations will empower individuals and communities. By embracing AI responsibly, we can unlock its potential for positive change. The AI revolution is here to stay, and its impact will only grow. By fostering AI education and addressing concerns, we can ensure that AI benefits everyone. As we move forward, embracing AI with caution and responsibility will lead to a brighter, more innovative future for all.